This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals Course C, and I'm on the lesson Chase Game with Events. Okay, let's see. Can you write a program to make George, actor 1, move towards Olive the cat? Alright, so remember, the computer name for George is Olive 1. So here's our code area, and here's our code options, the blocks we can drag over. Okay, so when run, I need to make George move. Okay, so move actor 1, and that would be George, to the right, which is this way. I'm not sure if 25 pixels is enough. I'm going to change it to 50. Let's see what happens. You can always hit run and be wrong in code. I get things wrong a lot. And what's great about code is you can just try. Oh, did that count? What? I didn't even see it. You can try and try again. Move towards, was that enough? Okay, one more time. Ta-da! Awesome. All right, let's keep going.